In this video, we will start our new chapter, that is factorization. We will see introduction and exercise 14.1.
Now let us start our new chapter, factorization. Now before starting this chapter, let us see few points to remember. Now the method of writing a given algebraic expression as the product of two expressions is known as factorization of the expression. Means, dear student, what is factorization? It is just a product of two expression which is known as a factorization of the expression. Now see here the example. See the product of two expressions here. See now the first example which is given, that is ax plus ay plus az. So what is common in all? The a is common, so I take out that a common, and in bracket x plus y plus z will remain. Now this is the product of two expressions. See how it is separated into two expressions. Then let us see another example, that is x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. So now in this, make a pair, make a group of two. Then what is common in this? X. So if I take out x as a common, so from x square x will remain inside the bracket and a will remain. What is common here? B. So b will remain outside the bracket, and what will remain inside the bracket? X plus a. So both the bracket have common terms, that is x plus a, and the uncommon term write down in another bracket, that is x plus b. Now let us see few identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square should always be equals to a plus b the whole square. In earlier classes we studied this. Then suppose here negative sign is there, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square should always equals to a minus b the whole square. Then a square minus b square gives a minus b, a plus b. Then 1 is the factor of each term. Now common method of factorization means you have to find the common factor first, then you have to rearrange the like term, then by getting the idea of proper identity, factorization by splitting the middle term. Now here, see here, what is common in this? X plus a, x plus b. What is common? X is common. So this is another identity in which you have to take out that x as a common. Then here what you need to do is you have to multiply this first term of first bracket with both the term of second bracket. That is, you have to take the first term of first expression, you have to multiply with both the term of second expression, that is x into x plus b. Now plus, now take second term of first expression, you have to multiply with both the term of second expression, that is 2 into x plus b. Then multiply, that is x into x gives x square, x into b, that is bx, a into x ax, a into b ab. Then it become x square, that is now what is common? That is x is common, and b plus a, you can write a plus b, and x is common, and ab as it is. This is another identity. Whenever in both the bracket, if only one term is common and other two terms are not common, so you have to apply this identity. Now in division of polynomial by monomial, either carried out by the division by dividing each term of the polynomial by the method. Means division of polynomial by monomial. Take for example here 2x plus 5 is there, it is divided by 2x. So each term you have to divide by 2x. Means 2x should be first divided by 2x, then 5 should be divided by 2x. Then division of polynomial by polynomial, factorize both the polynomial and cancel their common factor. The division of polynomial by another polynomial. So how it is possible? Take for example 2x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 5. So here we can cancel the common factor. Both are common. Now tips to find the error from algebraic expression. So how to find the error? If any mistake is there in the algebraic expression, so how to find such? So check sign of each term. We have to check. After studying all the identities, now we can easily check the mistake in the algebraic expression. So for that we have to check the sign, then addition and subtraction of like terms only, means we have to see whether there is a addition or subtraction have been done with the like term only. Exponents of variable changes only during the multiplication and division of the term, means we have to see whether there is a whatever the exponents are there, so it should be changed. These are the exponent. The exponent of the variable changes only during the multiplication, means if the 2x plus 2x is there, so it become 4x, but 2x multiplied by 2x is there, so it become 2 to the 4 and x into x square, not only x. So we have to see whether such exponent changes during the multiplication, and during the division we have to subtract. Now use identity where it is possible. Wherever it is possible, we have to use identity. First exercise 14.1, find the common factors of the given term. Common factor. Now how to find the common factor? For that we have to find the factors of both the terms. That is, the first question is given 12x and 36. So find the factor of 12x, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 into x, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into x. How to find such factor? It's very simple. You can find through LCM also, and you have to remember always there should be a prime number over here. Then 36, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now find the common factor, that is 2 is common, write it over here, 2 is common, write it over here, 3 is common, write it over here. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So out of both 12 is common factor. Then the next one is 2y comma 22xy. So write down, find the factor of 2y, that is 2 into y. Find the factor of 22xy, that is 2 11s into x into y. Then what is common? 2 is common and y is common. So y is common. The common factors of 2y and 22xy is 2 into y, that is 2y. Then the next one is 14pq comma 28p square q square. Now find the factor of 14pq, that is 2 7s are 14 into p into q. Then then factors of 28, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 7s 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. That is 2 into 2 into 7 into p square, means p into p, and q square means q into q. Now find the common factor, that is 2, then 7, then p and q. So 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14 and pq. So we can write common factor of 14pq and 28p square q square is, that is 2 7s are 14 p and q. Now the next one is 2x 3x square 4. So find a factor of 2x, that is 2 into x. Factor of 3x square, that is 3 into x into x, and common factor of 4 is 2 into 2. What is common? Means in all nothing is common. See here, 2 here it is there, but in second 2 is not there. Here it is there. Then x over here in first expression, second expression it is there, but in fourth expression it is not there. The common factor of 2x comma 3x square plus 4 is only 1. As we saw that 1 is a factor of all expression. So write down 1 is a factor of each term. We can say that 1 is a factor of each term. So there is no common number. Now the next one is 6abc 24ab square 12a square b. So first find the factors of 6abc, that is 2 into 3 into a into b into c, that is 2 3s are 6 into a into b into c. Then 24ab square, 24 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b into b. Then 12 is that 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. A into b, that is a square b. Then find the common in all, common factor in all, that is 2, then 3, Write down over here common factor of 6abc, 24a b square and 12a square b is, that is first 2 is common, then 3 3 3 in all 3 is common, then a is common, then b is common, then no other common factor, that is 2 3s are 6 ab, so write down 6 ab. Then the next one is 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. Find out the factors of 16x cube, that is 16 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into x into x into x, that is x cube. Then negative 2 into 2, that is negative 4 into x into x. Then 32 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 is 32 into x. Then find out the common factor. Write down common factor of 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x, that is first is 2 and 2, write down 2, then 2, one more 2 is there and another 2 is there, so write down 2, and x, write down x. Now dear student, here negative 2 is there, so what you will do, you can consider it as a negative 1 into 2, so it becomes positive, you can consider it as a positive. So that is why write down positive 2 over here. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 into x, 4x. 4x is a common factor. Then the next one is 10pq, comma 20p qr, comma 30rp. First find the factors of 10pq, that is 2 5s are 10 into p into q. Then 20qr, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into q into r. Then 30rp, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into r into p. Then common factor of 10pq and 20qr and 30rp, that is C. First find the common, that is 2 2 2 in all 2, then 5 5 5 in all 5, then nothing else, no other terms are common, that is 2 5s are 10, so common factors is 10. Now the last one in that only, that is 3x squared y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. So first find the factors of 3x square y cube, that is 3 only one number, constant term, that is 3, that is prime number. Then x square means x into x, y cube means y into y into y. Then 10x cube y square, that is 2 5s are 10, then x into x into x, x cube, then y square means y into y. Then 6x square y square z, 6 means 2 3s are 6, then x square means x into x, y square means y into y, and z. Then find the common in all. 3 over here not there, here, so we cannot write 3. 2, here it is 2, in 2 expression 2 are common, but in the third it is not, so we cannot take 2 also, 5 also. Then x is common, write down x. Then one more x is common. Then y is common. Then another y is common. Z is over here, but here not there, so we can write that x into x is x square and y into y is y square. Now question number 2, factorize the following expression. Now how to factorize the following expression? For that, as we saw earlier in the note, that we have to find the common factor first. So in this, what is common? The 7 is common, because 7 in the first term of the expression 7x and the second term is 42. So as we all know that 7 6 or 42 is there. The first what we will do, we will try to write in a factors form, that is 7x means 7 into x, and 42 means 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 3 is 6, 6 is 42. Then find the common in both the term, that is 7 is common, so write down 7 is a common in both terms. That is again write down that 7x minus 42, then take out that 7 common, and what will remain inside the bracket, x and 6, that is 7 6 is 42. So this is how you have to solve your this kind of expression. Now again next question is 6p minus 12 q. So what is common? 6, because 6 2s are 12. So first we will find the factor of 6p, that is 2 into 3 into p. Then we will find the factor of 12q, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into q. Then what is common? 2 is common, 3 is common, and nothing else. So 2 3s are 6. So 6 is common in both the term. So write down this expression again, 6p minus 12q. 6 is common, and what will remain inside the bracket? P minus 6 2s are 12, 2q. So 6 in bracket p minus 2q. Now the next one is 7a square plus 14a. Now dear student, here it is a 14a. What is common? As we all know, now we can easily directly solve the sum. So we can directly write down that 7 is common and a is common. So 7a in bracket a plus 2. So how to solve such? First we will write the factor of 7a square, that is 7 into a into a. Then 14a, that is 2 7s are 14 into a. Then what is common? 7 is common and a is common. See here, a is common. So a is common. So 7a is common in both the terms. Then write down this expression, that is 7a square plus 14a. So what is common? 7 is common. 7 and a is common. So what will remain inside the bracket? 7a square means if you take out 7a as a common, so a will remain inside the bracket, and 7 2s are 14 and a is already as a common, so 2 will remain over here. So 7a in bracket a plus 2. Now the next one is minus 16z plus 20z cube. So what? Find out the factors of 16, that is negative 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now this is negative 2 is there. So consider it as C. What I will do, I had multiply it with negative 1, so that this 2 will become positive. That is negative 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now if we can find this 2 as a common, then another 2 as a common, then z is common. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into z is 4z. So we can write that 4z is a common in both terms. Then write down this expression again, that is negative 16z plus 20z cube. So this 4z is common, so write it over here. And inside the bracket, it's very simple. So write down, as we all know, so how to get 16z over here. The 4 4s are 16, so positive into negative, that is negative 4z, plus how to get 20, so 4 5s are 20, and from z cube, z we had already taken as a common, so from z cube, z square will remain. So 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, that is 20z cube, that is 4z in bracket negative 4z plus 5z square. Then the next one is 20l square m plus 30alm. Now here again find the factor of 20l square m, that is 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20, l square means l into m, plus 30. This is another way. See how I am doing. Now plus 30 means 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 2 into 3 into 5 into a into l into m. Now what is common? 2 and 5. That means 2 and 5 is common. The 2 5s are 10. Then L and M is common. So 10 LM is common. And what is left? 2 L plus 3A. This method is also very easy. Whatever is left, that is 2 into L, 2L from the first expression, and from the second expression 3 and a. Now the another one, now we will do directly 5x squared y minus 15x y squared. What is common? 5. So write down 5 over here. From here in the first expression x square is there, and in second x is only x is there, so we can only take x, not x square. Then in first expression y is there, and second expression y square is there. From both we can take y as a common. So what will remain inside the bracket? From x square we had taken 1x outside, so 1x will remain inside. And from 15, 5 is common, so 3 will remain inside the bracket, that is 3 5s are 15. From x already we had taken outside as a common, and from y square 1y we had taken common as outside. So 1y will remain inside the bracket. So that means the 5xy in bracket x minus 3y. Now the next one is 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. From all 5 is common, and all the value of the variable are different. So write 5 already we have to take common. So how to get 10? So 5 2s are 10 and a square will remain inside bracket. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. B square and c square. So your answer will be 5 in bracket 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Now the next is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Now here in this 4 is common. So what I will do, I will take positive 4. A is common. 4 is as a common. So as I had taken 4a as a common, so from a square I had taken 1a common. So 1a will remain inside the bracket, and here it is negative. So I had taken positive 4a common, so negative a will remain inside the bracket. Then from 4ab, 4a already had taken as a common, so b will remain inside the bracket, that is positive b. And from negative 4ca, I had already taken 4a, so negative c will remain inside the bracket. So your answer will be 4a in bracket minus a plus b minus c. Then x square yz plus x y square plus z plus x y z square. In this, in all, we find that x y z is common. So first take out that x y z as a common. Then from x y z, 1x I had already taken. So from x square, so 1x will remain inside the bracket. Then from here, y square 1y already taken as a common. So another y will remain inside the bracket. X and z already as a common I had taken. Then from all x y z square, x y z as a common already taken. So from z square, 1z will remain inside the bracket. So your answer will be x y z in bracket x plus y plus z. Then a x square y plus b x y square plus x y z. Now c x y z. Now take as we find that x y is a common in all. So x y we have taken as a common. Then what will left? From a x square y, already xy we had taken as a common, so a will remain, and from x square 1x already taken, so 1x will remain. Then b x y square, already x as a common taken, x and y, so what will remain inside the bracket? B, and from y square 1y is taken as a common, so b and y will remain inside the bracket. Then here c xy already taken as a common, so what will remain? C and z will remain inside the bracket. So your answer is xy in bracket ax plus by plus cz. Now let us see the another question. Factorize the following. Now here the x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. The 4 terms are there in the expression. So what we'll do? We will make a group of 2. So try to make a pair. See here what I did. In this way you can make a pair. Then try to find the common term, common factor in both the term. So here the from x square plus xy, the x is common. So if I take x as a common, so from x square 1x will remain inside the bracket, and from xy already x taken as a common, so y will remain inside the bracket. So x in bracket x plus y. So whatever the term, whatever the value inside the bracket, same values you should get in the second expression. So here 8 is common from the second group, second pair. 8 is common, so what will remain inside the bracket? X plus y. So as we see that x plus y and x plus y in both the bracket are common, so try to write in a one bracket, that is x plus y, and whatever the uncommon uncommon terms are there, so try to write in another bracket, that is x plus 8. So your final answer is x plus y and x plus 8. Then let us see the next sum. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Now here what is common? Try to make a pair first two term and last two term. Then 3 is common. As we see, the 3 and x. So 3x as a common. Then to get this 15y, so 3x will be multiplied by 5y. That is 3 5s are 15 xy. 5y minus, to get 6x, so 3x will be multiplied by 2, negative 2, to get negative 6x, that is 3 x into negative 2 is negative 6x. Then here in the last two term nothing is common, so just we saw that in our first bracket we already got 5y minus 2. See here 5y minus 2, so just it's very simple. So to get 5y minus 2 in another bracket, just you multiply it with 1, because nothing is common, so you write down plus 1 and write down this both uncommon term in one bracket. That is 1 multiplied by 5y is 5y, 1 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2. Then whatever the common term in both the bracket, try to write in a one bracket, that is 5y minus 2. Then whatever the uncommon term, that is 3x plus 1, try to write in another bracket. Now the next one, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Now try to make a pair in this way. Then try to find the common, that is x is common, and whatever the uncommon term, try to write in a bracket a plus b. Then here what is common? Y. So try to take out that negative y outside the bracket, negative y, and negative y should be multiplied by what to get ay? The negative y should be multiplied by a to get, that is negative into positive is negative. Then negative y should be multiplied by what to get negative by? The negative y should be multiplied by positive b, that is negative y into positive b gives negative by, because negative into positive is negative only. So negative by, that is to get plus b. Then see whether both the bracket have same term, that is a plus b, yes. So try to write in a one bracket, that is a plus b, and whatever the uncommon term, that is x minus y, try to write in another bracket. Now let us see the another sum. 15p cube plus 15, try to make a pair. 9 cube plus 25p, try to write in another bracket. Now dear student, here if we see here only 15 is common, but here nothing is common. So why not we rearrange the term? So what you will do, 15p cube plus 9q you write down. Then 15 is there and 25p is there. So try to write for 25p first and 15 over here. By doing such, we can easily find the common factor. So 15 and 9 is there. So we all know that it is both the terms are divisible by 3. So write down 3 as a common, and what is other term which is common? Q. So 3q is common. Then 3q should be multiplied by what to get 15p cube. So 3 5s are 15, so write down 5 over here, and q already taken as a common. So 5, what is remain? P. So 5p, that is 3 5s are 15 p q. Then 3q should be multiplied by what to get 9q, that is 3 into 3, that is 3 is 9, 3 into 3, that is 9q. Then 25p plus 15 is that, as we all know both the term divisible by 5. So first take out that 5 common. Now 5 should be multiplied by what to get 25p. So 5 5s are 25, so 5p plus 5 should be multiplied by what to get 15. So 5 3s are 15. Then both the bracket having common value, that is common terms, that is 5p plus 3 and 5p plus 3. Try to write in a one bracket. Then whatever the uncommon terms are there, 3q plus p, so try to write in another bracket. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Now again try to make a pair, x minus z and 7xy minus xyz. So in this nothing is common. So as I told, whenever that nothing is common between both the terms, to try to write 1 and write down the whole uncommon term in bracket, x minus z. Then from the second pair, xy is common, so write down negative xy. And inside the bracket, what is left? Negative xy should be multiplied by what to get negative xyz. So as I had taken negative xy, so only z is remain, so z will come. And from that negative xy should be multiplied by what to get positive 7xy. So negative xy should be multiplied by negative 7, because negative and negative gives positive result. So negative 7 to get positive 7xy. Now both the bracket have common term, that is z minus 7. Try to write in one bracket, and whatever the uncommon terms are there, try to write in another bracket, that is 1 minus xy.